Are you getting blocked by Salesforce because your IP isn't whitelisted? Here is exactly how to fix it in under 5 minutes. We will go from the quick settings menu to saving your IP range. Just follow these 9 simple steps. All right, let's start from your Salesforce home screen. The very first thing you need to do is click on the gear icon in the top right corner. That is your quick settings menu. It looks like a little cogwheel. Go ahead and click that. So now that we have the menu open, you are going to see an option that says Open Advanced Setup. This is your gateway to everything behind the scenes in Salesforce. Click on that. And here is the really important part. Salesforce has a ton of settings, and finding the right one can feel like a scavenger hunt. But there is a quick trick. Once you are in the setup area, look for the Quick Find search box at the top of the left-hand sidebar. Type the word Network Access into that search bar, just the 2 words. Watch as it filters the results instantly. Now, click on the result that says Network Access. This will take you directly to the page where you manage all the IP addresses that are allowed to connect to your organization. On this new page, you will see a list of any IP ranges you have already set up. But since we are adding a new one, look for a button that says New. It is usually near the top of the list. Click that button to create a new entry. This next part is where you need to be precise. The first field is for your start IP address. This is the beginning of the range of IPs you want to allow. For example, if your network uses IP addresses starting at 192.168.1.1, you would type that in here. Take your time and double-check that every number and every dot is exactly correct. One wrong digit and your integration still won't work. All right, now scroll down just a tiny bit to the next field, labeled End IP Address. This is the end of your range. If your range ends at 192.168.1.255, then type that in. And remember, if you only need to allow one single IP address, you can put the same address in both the start and the end field. It is perfectly fine to do that. So now we need to label this so we know what it is for. There's a field called Description. I highly recommend you type something clear here, like Office Network or Integration Service IPs. Do not just leave it blank. When you come back to this page 6 months from now, you will thank yourself for writing a good description. And here is the moment of truth. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. That is it. Your IP range is now whitelisted, your integrations should stop getting blocked, and those security errors will become a thing of the past. Thanks for following along, and I will catch you in the next one.